Student learning outcomes. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to define and understand slope. You should also be able to find the slope of a line when given the rise and the run. Let's begin by defining what the slope of a line is. The mathematical definition of the slope of a line is the ratio of the change in your y-coordinate, which is the rise, the vertical change, to the change in your x-coordinates, the run, the horizontal change between 2 points on a line. So simply put, the slope is nothing more than a measurement of the steepness of a line. So here we have two skateboarders here. The skateboarder on the left, notice that he is skating on a line that is much steeper than the skater to your right. So again, slope is simply the rise over the run, or the change in your y values over the change in your x values. Sergeant Jones, a wounded veteran, wanted to improve the accessibility of his home, so he hired a contractor to build a ramp. Now, the Americans with Disabilities Act, the ADA, recommends that for every 1-inch rise requires at least 12 inches of run. In other words, in a ratio of 1 to 12. Now, if the contractor builds a ramp that rises 4 inches for every 48 inches on the horizontal, will this slope or grade meet the ADA's recommendations? Well, let's plug in the values we were given to see. So the slope is your rise over your run. So if you will notice in the diagram, the rise of the ramp is its height, which is 4 inches in this case. Your run, your horizontal run, is its length, and here we have 48. So when we write these values, the rise of 4 over the run of 48, we have a fraction of 4/48. And recall, with all fractions, you must always write your answer in its most simplified form. There's a 4 that we can cancel out of the top and bottom, cancel out the common factor of 4, and what that will leave us with is 1/12. So therefore, the slope here is 1/12, ratio of 1 to 12, and we can see that it does meet the ADA's recommendation of having a ratio of 1 to 12. And there you have it.